Alright, hey guys. I'm just gonna record something here. I thought this was really cool. The latest Rust updates. That's with the radios, sirens, broadcast receivers, there's also speakers, and yeah. So actually, I ended up making this. The doors all around. Just all around. So right now, if I go up to it, so I turn the whole system off. Pretty normal, nothing. But go turn the switch on, which is control room alarm sensors. So I'll show you guys the alarms first, or I'll guess reason that trips an alarm. Oh. Alright. Weird glitches, new stuff, new updates. Anyways, so yeah, this is the radio frequency, so everything is actually hooked up, instead of being hooked up to switches, they're hooked up to this here. The generator to the battery. From the battery, well, this one, yeah, what I did. Output switch here, switch, receiver. So this receiver, once it receives set frequency, which I said is 4, it goes off, lets the energy flow, and activates it. So everything's on. So this allows two things. Not only can I use my controller, hold the button, but it's also for proximity sensors. So those sensors are hooked to these things. Broadcast. They're broadcasting that same frequency 4. Anytime I get close, well, I'm gonna get fucked shredded. So the other thing you can do is your hammer. Go people, me, exclude authorized, exclude authorized, and nothing happened. I'm not a threat to the sensors. But there's a weird glitch going on where you can only have 4 that if I click over here, switch this one, boom. Son. This guy's tripping. This guy. See what I mean? He's going off. So I guess you guys can see the interior a little bit. They're all, I think there's like 4 different generators, so they're all independent. One side goes down, the others keep working. You can see the sensors here. They're hooked up to receiver. So that goes back to my control room. And that's about it. So control the lights. Everything's off. Guys. Yeah. So this is a pretty cool update. There's not really a distance limit. Still open. Still open. Still open. Still open. This kid will stop rendering. So yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. So I might as well actually test it out for you guys, I guess. Oh, gotta render. So authorized. Guess I'll go piss off. Huh. Just do it too, I guess. Actually, faster. Just gonna piss off my friend here. Sorry. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Very mad.